Watch this closely. In MotoGP, everything can change in a split second. Assen 2013, Jorge Lorenzo at full lean, right on the edge of grip. The rear tire slides, then suddenly hooks up again. A brutal high side. Shoulder slams into the track. Collarbone shattered. Surgery that same night. Back on the grid just 48 hours later. Mandalika 2022. Marquez's rear tire snaps back. He's launched into the air, then slammed hard into the asphalt. Energy the human body was never meant to absorb.
The rear tire just letting go in the most spectacular fashion. That is, oh, dearie me.
Mugello 2010. Valentino Rossi at over 270 kilometers per hour. Grip disappears, massive impact. His leg breaks instantly. Jerez 2020. Marc Marquez pushes beyond the limit. A violent high side. One crash that changed his career.
Vinales into turn 5.
Oh, he's lost a rear.
Very last time he high-sided, of course. What was that at the end of last year? Blimey, that's a horrible crash. Goodness me.
There's something wrong with that right arm, the right wrist.
Well, he shot.
Austria 2020. Zarco and Morbidelli, nearly 300 kilometers per hour. A tiny contact sends both bikes flying across the track. Rossi misses the impact by less than a second. Five crashes, one reality. In MotoGP, the line between courage and catastrophe is as thin as the racing line.